This video is in pause at the moment, as you can see, 10-minute video, and it was made on the 18th of the 4th, 2025, and I'm just seeing if this is capturing the sound when I play the video. There should be no video sound other than me talking, and as you can see, first thing you see is a flashing light that is a malfunctioning light. That's the first thing you see, and I'm still loading up bits and pieces into the car, and because I've opened the door the camera's come on, and the internal camera is not switched on, and I had it set that way. But anyway, I finished loading the car and get in, and somebody behind me, a pedestrian standing there with their back to me. They obviously can't hear the car, so the engine's running, and I'm waiting for them to move. But they're too busy on their bloody phone. Typical. But as you can see, the two lights to the left are malfunctioning, and the two lights to the right perfectly alright. Weird. Now, while we're waiting for this person to get out of the way so I can reverse back, I was about to get out, and then he moved, and then he stopped, and so I had to stop. And anyway, I decided to try and manoeuvre past the car with a bit of gap I got, and anyway, here we are. This is the hotel we stayed in overnight. Bit of a rainy day, and eventually the person moved, realised I was trying to reverse out, and got out of the way. Anyway, wife just told me that it was all clear to pull out, because I'm in a right-hand car on a left-handed motorway, so I'm driving, and I'm the one who's near the curb. So anyway, there we are. This is the, I think this is the A5, heading towards Budapest, I believe, and we are just heading out from the hotel we stopped in. Nice, cheap, very cheap, not expensive at all. Or we didn't. They'd got an excellent restaurant, and see how many cars you can see that have funny things happening with their lights. Weird. So it's the 18th of January, March, April. The 18th of April. Some have got their lights on, some haven't. But as we drive on, the day improves, and this is just to see if I can voice over the videos, and if I can, put it out. But yeah, I'm doing 72 miles an hour, and yeah, and the rest of the traffic is just streaming past me. They're all doing about 80, 85. Because they can. Because there's no cameras. There is cameras, but not on this stretch of road. But I'm driving on cruise control, and we're watching the sun break through and the day get better. And I pause at one of the road signs, so you can see where I am. It's the it's either the A10 or whatever. Might even be the E75. And the clicking you can hear is me. My Parkinson's makes me twitch my thumbs, and if I put my hands together, the thumbs click. I'm waiting on a road sign coming up. Should be some road signs saying what motorway we're on. Yeah, look, malfunctioning lights. Not every car, but yeah, signpost. And that's where the next turn off is. I think that says E75. That's the 405 turn off. So I think I'm on the E75. Comes an overhead. What does this say? Doesn't say nothing today on that one. Oh, I missed a sign. Never mind. There'll be more signs to see. And here he comes, it's a big one. No, just talking about the turn off. We're either heading to Budapest or towards Budapest, but we bypass Budapest. And here comes another sign. Oh, it's the Gad. Right. No, we're going the other way. We're heading away from Budapest. Again, this is a journey coming in to Zagad. We're heading towards Zagad. And I think it's just try and get the sign. Gone back too far. Never mind. So I think we are on the E75. We're heading towards. We're in Hungary, but heading towards Romania. Took me this time to find out where we were going. So again. E75, I think that is. There's another one coming up. Well, we went wrong. Rad, yeah. We're heading towards. You just can't quite make out the signs. And yeah. So we're not coming home. I thought we was coming home. And this isn't. This is actually going. We're on our way to Bulgaria. But more lights. Car lights are malfunctioning. It's only because I've been watching Mr. MM333 on YouTube. Just look his channel up, and he's got hundreds of people sending him videos of malfunctioning car lights, malfunctioning street lights, malfunctioning yeah. Weird. There's nothing behind me, so I'm going to overtake this one in front. Very little traffic. Traffic was quite light. Usually there's loads and loads of lorries. But yeah. His lights were malfunctioning. Anyway, that's the end of the video for that. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'll play the next video of wherever we're coming or going to. So give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, do whatever. Cheers.